guys, so today is the day. We're gonna be heading over to the Freedom Factory for the pod sod shoot. Like you saw in the last video, we set up this side by side. Absolutely killer setup. We're super excited to use it. Shout out to Parker Mitchell for making it happen. But yeah, the game plan is myself, Andrew, Keith, Bevs, and our buddy Tristan are gonna go over there and work with the guys to create an epic little promo for this new product Garrett thought of. We put together a sweet little Pelican case that holds the actual pod sod. Or the sod pod. What is it? Pod sod? Sod pod. Uh-oh. The sod pod. What a legendary thing. There we go. So we designed a cool little graphic to make it look like somewhat of a legit landscaping brand. But step 1, whisper hell yeah brother twice daily. Step 2, water diligently or it'll get cooked. Step 3, sit back and watch the freedom grow.
93 only.
93 only. I mean, don't water it with 93. But
got the FF on here.
Tight. But yeah, we're having a lot of fun doing this stuff. So let's get over to the Freedom Factory and get this day started off right. All right, guys. So we're just pulling up here at the Freedom Factory, and Cleet and Cam are going to meet us over here in about 10 minutes. So that gives us just enough time to get all the cameras prepped out and built out on the side-by-side specifically. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, boys, here we are. I'm gonna flip this rig around and we're gonna get all the camera package set up on this puppy to start the day off right. So I just quickly realized that where we put this pipe is right in front of the freaking exhaust. So yeah, we'll have to turn this arm a little bit that the gimbal sits out over here versus directly behind, because that is not ideal to have a 400-degree exhaust gas on a camera. So we're just going to shift this over, get the camera locked and loaded. So we're here, we are setting up the gimbal controller. We got the old helicopter and the rip saw. But yeah, we're just getting the last little bit of the camera side by side figured out.
Grab his arm when it comes in, be like, then you gotta put your foot here, grab his shoulder, butt out, and then step. He's gonna be on the left side, you're gonna be on the right side, shooting out the window, right? So we're gonna be flying up, and he's gonna go, I'm 5 minutes from the drop point.
5 minutes from the drop point!
Yeah. And then we're gonna come in, set down, he's gonna jump out the door, and then I'll fly over here and land, and then we'll restart. The Cobalt is gonna be parked over there. He's gonna run over, get in the Cobalt, and take off. White trash is also gonna be parked there. James is gonna sprint over white trash and just do a humongous burnout, like
ridiculous,
like kind of after him. Then we jump to Freedom Frank in the rip saw. He goes, I'm gonna end this. Rip saw pulls out. Rip saw pulls out, goes, no! And then we just show the rip saw like over the top of it.
She's smoking, cuh.
Yeah, it's just a little fuel. It's just a little fuel. We're gonna go shoot the helicopter scene. So we're gonna do 2 takes. One time I'm gonna be in the helicopter filming James, and then we're gonna do the slow pull action shot with the side-by-side cam rig, and then Keith, who's filming right now, he's gonna be doing Cam B for that stuff. So let's get in the track and get her done.
Tango, package secured. I set him up for the hip toss and knocked the wind out of him.
Alright, hit it. And then straight to the cobalt.
Get in the way with the package. Get in the cobalt. Throw it in the window.
Alright, stop.
He's got the package. What do you mean, what do I mean? He's got the package.
TikTok, you're done.
This is what it feels like to
Got it.
Oh my God, Chris.
Oh!
Couldn't hit sand if you fell off a camel, boy. In water, you fell off a boat. You're done. No. No, no, no. No. No, 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 no. No!
All right, guys, that's all she wrote. We had a freaking blast. Spent a few hours out here filming that quick little commercial. I think it went super well. A little dirty,
Dusty, bro.
little dusty. That's what happens. I mean, we were in the field.
Yeah.
Luckily, these lenses are only about 600 bucks each. So if they do get toasted, we can afford another one, dude. So yeah. No, we're not made of money, but hopefully we have 600 bucks for a new lens that we bring. But honestly, I think this is like one of our new favorite setups. So
This was legit, dude.
I know.
Like, it did so. This is literally what this is meant for. This
Yeah.
arm specifically is meant for off-roading, and it killed it.
Yeah, I think we might have one of these in our near future because this can do obviously on-road, off-road, trails, tracks. But yeah, worked out super well. All the guys freaking killed it. We had a lot of fun today, and just a couple hour shoot, which is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and pack up all the shit, get the side-by-side on here, bring it back to the shop. Shout out to Bevs, Keith, Tristan, Andrew, everyone that helped out today. So there's not a ton of behind the scenes, but you'll see what that 3 or 4 hour film session turns into, about 90 seconds of pretty funny commercial stuff. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. And again, if you have any questions or you want to see certain stuff, let us know. We'll try to cover it in every one of our videos.
Oh my God.
So yeah, Seuss is an absolute animal, dude.